All right, so for this deep dive, we're going to be looking at some Toronto open houses for this weekend.
Yeah, these are for March 15th and 16th, 2025. And they're not just any listings.
Wow.
These have been curated by Brad Cox from the Heaps Estron team.
Oh, wow. Good.
He specializes in creating a bespoke real estate experience.
Really?
So he understands what people are looking for, and he goes above and beyond the standard.
Okay, that's good to know. I mean, especially since this is kind of like a snapshot, right?
Okay.
This is just what's available this weekend. But I'm assuming he has access to even more.
Yeah, he has a portfolio of exclusive and off-market properties as well.
So if something piques our interest, but it's not quite right,
There are other options.
okay.
For this deep dive, we're going to look at 7 properties.
Okay.
We'll quickly cover the address, the price, the bedrooms, and how long it's been on the market.
Got it.
And for each one, we'll highlight something unique, something that might stand out.
Okay, sounds good. Let's jump right into it.
Perfect.
So first up, we have 46 Clarendon Avenue in Casa Loma.
Okay.
It's listed at $2,249,000.
Right.
It has 3 bedrooms plus 1, and it's been on the market for 16 days.
So this is a semi-detached home in South Hill, and what's interesting is it's been with the same owner for over 30 years,
Oh, wow.
which often means it's been well-loved and maintained.
Yeah, you would
Right.
think so, right? Like they've put the work in.
And the standout feature here is the lot size. It's a 150-foot deep lot.
Wow, in the city, that's rare.
It is, and especially in a central location like this.
Yeah, imagine the possibilities like a big garden or a play area for kids or just space to breathe.
And thinking long term, that depth could even offer potential for future development or just a greater sense of privacy,
Right. Yeah, no, that makes sense.
which is a huge plus in urban real estate.
Okay, on to property number 2. We have 241 Chaplin Crescent in Forest Hill South.
Okay.
The asking price is $2,395,000.
Right.
It's a detached home with 3 bedrooms, and it's been on the market for 46 days.
Now, this one is great for outdoor enthusiasts. It has private access to the K. Gardner Beltline Trail.
Wow, the Beltline's right there.
Yeah, 5.5 miles of trails right outside your door.
So you could go for a run or a bike ride or just a walk without even leaving your property.
Exactly. It really blends city living with nature.
Yeah, that's amazing.
It makes you think about what's important in a home, doesn't it?
For sure.
Yeah.
For sure. Okay. Number 3 takes us to 39 Standish Avenue in Rosedale Moore Park.
Okay.
This one's listed at $2,395,000.
All right, same price point.
Yeah, it has 4 bedrooms plus 1.
Yeah.
And has been on the market for 32 days.
Now, this property has a different appeal. It's a recently renovated multi-unit property
Oh, interesting.
with 3 separate units.
So there's income potential here.
The potential gross income is $138,000 per year.
Wow, that's significant.
It could be a great opportunity for investors or someone who wants to live in one unit and rent out the others.
Yeah, offset those housing costs, right?
Exactly, and it offers a lot of flexibility. You could even have multi-generational living,
Okay, that's a really interesting option.
especially in such a sought-after area.
Okay, moving on to property number 4, we have 115 Marlborough Avenue in the Annex.
Right.
It's listed at $2,598,000.
Okay.
It's a semi-detached century home with 2 bedrooms plus 1,
Nice.
and it's been on the market for just 1 day.
Wow, only 1 day. That's a fresh listing.
Yeah, so this one's in Summerhill. It's been beautifully updated, and what stands out is the outdoor space. It has a walkout from the kitchen to a deck.
Perfect for entertaining.
Exactly. And it also has a private upper deck off the primary suite.
Oh, wow. So 2 separate outdoor areas.
Yeah, one for socializing and one for quiet time.
That's fantastic. I love that.
Yeah, it's a great feature, especially in the city.
Absolutely. Having private outdoor space really enhances your quality of life.
Okay, for property number 5, we're heading to 105 Lascelles Boulevard in the Young Eglinton area. This one is listed at $2,849,000.
Right.
It's a detached home with 4 bedrooms plus 1, and it's been on the market for 17 days.
So this home is in Chaplin Estates, and it's been impeccably renovated.
Oh, nice.
But the real highlight is the kitchen. It's a Houghton Griffin designed kitchen.
Oh, wow. Houghton Griffin. That's high end.
It is. They're known for their classic English style combined with modern functionality.
Yeah, their kitchens are beautiful, and they're designed for serious cooking.
Exactly. It's not just about looks. It's about quality and functionality.
Okay, on to property number 6. We have 32 Southley Avenue in Leaside.
Right.
It's listed at $2,995,000.
Right.
It has 3 bedrooms plus 1, and has been on the market for 24 days.
And just to note, this one has a PC status, which means it's potentially conditionally sold.
Oh, so there might be an offer on it?
Yeah, but it's still being shown just in case something changes.
Okay, so this detached home was designed by the renowned Kelly Lem, and it features front and back additions.
Wow, so they've really expanded the living space.
Yeah, and the listing mentions a serene primary retreat with an oversized en-suite.
Oh, that sounds lovely.
Yeah, like a spa-like experience.
And Kelly Lem is known for their attention to detail, so you know it's well designed.
Okay, last but not least, we have 296 Glen Road in Rosedale Moore Park.
All right.
This one is listed at $2,995,000.
Okay.
It has 5 bedrooms and has been on the market for 9 days.
So this is a semi-detached home in North Rosedale, and it has a very special feature,
What's that?
a private backyard oasis.
Really in the city.
Yeah, it has an in-ground pool, a sauna, and even an outdoor shower.
Wow, that's amazing. Imagine having all that right in your backyard.
It's perfect for relaxation and entertaining.
And so rare to find in Toronto.
Absolutely.
Okay, well, that was a whirlwind tour of these 7 open house properties.
Yeah, curated by Brad Cox of the Heaps Estrin team.
Right, and it's important to remember this is just a small selection of what's available.
Exactly. If you're looking for something specific or want to explore those exclusive listings.
Reaching out to Brad could be the way to go.
For sure, his expertise is all about tailoring the experience to your individual needs.
Out of all these properties, what stood out to you?
That's tough. There were so many great options.
Right. Was it the huge lot in Casa Loma?
Or that incredible backyard oasis in Rosedale.
Or maybe the direct access to the Beltline?
Or that Houghton Griffin kitchen.
Ooh, yeah, good one. Or the investment potential of the multi-unit property.
So many possibilities.
Yeah, it really gives you a sense of what's out there in the Toronto market.
It does. Each property highlights different priorities and lifestyles.
So as we wrap up, here's a thought for our listeners. What truly defines your ideal living space?
Right. What elements are most important to you?
How do those elements align with your vision for your daily life?
It's a question worth pondering as you continue your real estate journey.
Thanks for joining us for this deep dive into Toronto open houses.
Until next time.
Bye.